Imagine being arrested, but there's a lifeline that lets you walk out temporarily until your case is fully decided. That lifeline is interim bail. But how does this work? What qualifies for it? And what happens if your request is denied? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about interim bail backed by real cases and legal facts. Stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss the recent developments and expert tips on how to navigate this crucial legal concept. Interim bail is like a temporary pause on your time in custody, granted for a short duration until the court makes a decision on regular or anticipatory bail. This relief is usually given when there is an urgent reason, like a medical emergency, or when the court needs more time to consider the full bail plea. It's important to know that interim bail is neither a guarantee nor a declaration of innocence. It's just a way to ensure that the accused isn't unfairly held in custody during emergencies. Interim bail came under the spotlight during the pandemic when courts used it to decongest jails, and even now it plays a key role in balancing individual liberty and public safety. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll explore. First, how interim bail works. 2. Conditions for granting interim bail. 3. What happens if interim bail expires? 4. Steps to take if interim bail is denied. 5. Recent case updates and trends. Now let's take a deep dive into the concept of interim bail. It's important to understand how this short-term relief works in practice, what factors influence the court's decision, and the responsibilities that come with it. We'll also explore key cases that help explain when and why courts grant interim bail, along with what happens if things don't go as planned. Let's begin by understanding how interim bail functions in real life. Unlike regular bail, interim bail is designed to offer short-term relief during emergencies or while waiting for a decision on regular or anticipatory bail. During this temporary period, the accused must comply with strict conditions set by the court, such as staying within a designated area or not contacting witnesses. It's not just a matter of walking free for a few days. It's a legally supervised privilege. Courts typically grant interim bail to ensure fairness while preventing unnecessary detention. Failure to adhere to the conditions can lead to immediate arrest or rejection of further bail pleas. In the case of Arnesh Kumar vs. State of Bihar, this landmark judgment emphasized that arrest should not be a routine action and that bail should be preferred over jail. The principles from this case guide judges when deciding whether to grant interim bail. Now, let's dive into the specific conditions under which courts are inclined to grant interim bail. It is not given arbitrarily, but depends on the fact of each case and the urgency of the situation. Courts look at the balance between the rights of the accused and the interests of justice. For example, if the accused or a family member faces a health crisis or if there are pressing humanitarian reasons, courts are more likely to grant interim bail. Similarly, during incomplete investigations, judges sometimes release the accused to ensure that they aren't unnecessarily kept in jail. The Orissa High Court in 2024 ruled that once an accused has been granted regular bail, they are not required to surrender even if they were on interim bail earlier. This decision showcases the evolving flexibility of the judiciary when dealing with such matters. Interim bail has a set duration, after which it must be either extended or replaced by a regular bail. If not, the accused must surrender to custody. Courts take this deadline seriously and failing to comply can result in arrest. However, if there are valid reasons, such as delays in hearing the regular bail plea, the accused can request an extension. In state of Maharashtra vs. Gagan Dobal, the Bombay High Court highlighted the risk of misuse, cautioning that interim bail must not be used as a delaying tactic in criminal cases. Here's what you can do if your request for interim bail is denied. First, appeal to a higher court. If the lower court rejects your bail plea, approach the High Court or even the Supreme Court. 2. Highlight urgency with new evidence. Present fresh grounds such as updated medical records to show the situation has changed. 3. Monitor recent legal trends. Judges often rely on recent rulings and developments. So, being aware of these trends can help your case. These steps improve your chances of success, especially in cases where time-sensitive relief is needed. Several recent developments have shaped how courts approach interim bail. First, Punjab and Haryana High Court in 2024. The court refused interim bail under UAPA, ruling that the CrPC doesn't allow such relief under special anti-terror laws. 2. Himachal Pradesh High Court in 2024. This court granted the first interim bail under the new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, a sign of how India's evolving legal framework is already in play. These updates reflect how the different courts across India interpret interim bail based on specifics of each case and evolving legal norms. Let's summarize what we have discussed. First, interim bail offers temporary relief to the accused in urgent situations. 2. It is distinct from regular and anticipatory bail, focusing on short-term relief. 3. Courts consider medical emergencies, family crisis and incomplete investigations while granting interim bail. 4. If denied, appealing to a higher court and showing updated grounds can improve the chances of success. 5. Recent judgments highlight how interim bail is evolving, especially under the new laws like the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more legal updates and easy to understand explanations. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about new videos. Got any questions or legal doubts? Drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care and bye.